Greetings all, Shardvixen here, and we're going to do for Madness Crafting. Actually, this is going to be, Madness Crafting, because it's DIY. Alright, so, actually it's a crafting challenge that Amy from Al John channel did. And so I'm going to try to do it, but I'm going to modify it, because that's what I do. I modify shit. I do it all the time. And if cussing isn't your thing, it's not what you want to be. Alright, she does it a different way. So I'm going to suggest you go see her. She was following another person's, Sonya. I can't remember what Sonya's is. Her YouTube channel. I'll put it up above in little captions or on my descriptions. So I don't know what hers looks like, but this is how I'm going to make mine, I think. I'm trying to figure out which way I want to go with it. So her suggestion was to get newspapers, right? And then you're gonna, so maybe it'd be better if we went this way. And she folded it. I don't know if it'll fit that way though. So if I fold it like this, you guys will have to just watch me mess around with this. That's what I do, I mess around. And then, I don't know if I'd fold it that long. Let's just do it like this. I don't think these are even. This is the recycling packing. I like to recycle this shit as much as possible. Alright, so she folded it here. And I'm going to get me she didn't glue it, but I'm going to glue this right here. But I'm going to use actual different glue than my other glue. We're going to use the tacky glue, see if it works better. I'm not sure if it will or it won't. Don't know. I haven't ever used tacky glue. I mean, I'm sure I've used it sometime. Probably when I use fabric. But, alright. Hopefully that'll work. Because this is a plastic texture. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I need my... Ooh. I thought I got some there. But I didn't. Alright, so then we're going to fold it. I'm going to glue it. I'm not measuring nothing. She measures stuff, so you guys have to go over and watch her if you want measurements. I'm doing it all by my eyeballs, which means I'll probably mess it up. Just remember that. Okay, so the folding part has to be glued too, to a degree. Come on. Oh, tacky glue is very quick, isn't it? I can see why everybody likes it so much. Though I've been told there's other glues that are just as good. Okay. Alrighty. Hers is probably going to be much neater, so I suggest that you go see Amy do hers. And come back and watch mine. Alright, so there's that. Then we're going to flip it over. Now, she used 2 books. I don't know if I'm going to use 2 books because I don't think I have enough to even wrap 1 book. Well, I do have enough to wrap 1 book. Look at that. Okay, so what we're going to do is, it's a nesting challenge. So we're going to do a bag with a box in the bag, something else in the box, and then something in that. So that's how that goes. I might make this a little bigger like this and glue that overlap like that. But you wrap it like a present. But I wanted to put this in here. Why did I want to put this in here? Because I know I'm not going to have enough for 2 books. There's 2 books. I know I don't have enough. I don't think I have enough for 2 books. Let's see. Nope. So it's 1 book. 1 book is what it is, and I got glue all over my book. She didn't decorate her bags and stuff on her video. I'm going to decorate them as I do them, so that'll be the fun part of that. Stick there. Stick. That's the problem. You stick everywhere, but you don't want to stick there. Come on. Be nice to me. Get my darn knife makeup. Oh, there you go. No, you're still not sticking. Is it just too hard to stick on that side? Okay, what we'll do. We'll paper clip you for just a bit, okay? Just a bit. Alright, so. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around so we can see it better. She learned to do this from a lady, she said, called Betsy Doodle. So, like I said, you're going to have to go and look at her channel to find out more about this. So then you go over this way. So you're supposed to just wrap this. I'm going to do it this way, though, because I want to stick this one in here, which is what she suggested, because it looks good. I don't know. I don't care about looking good, but it probably is more. Probably better do it that way. But I'm going to glue it in there because, well, I don't want my bag to come apart. It's been my experience. The bags come apart. What happened there? Huh. Okay, so then we're going to do that. I'm really not sure. I want you to stick. Sticker. Where's my sticker? Leave it there. I'll be right back. Okay, I had to go get a clippy thing for that. There we go. You know what that's from. Here, let me turn it around so you can see it. That's to the anybody thing. Alright, so then we're right here. Alright, so I have too long. Because mine's too long. Right? So we're going to cut it. Probably about right there. Alright, hopefully that works. Alright, and then we're going to fold it. I probably didn't need to go that far. But I'm going to tacky glue it here too. And push it down. And hold it. Hopefully it doesn't go over on my... I like to feel this though. I'm a very tactile person. So, okay. So, we're gonna be tucking it in. But it's obviously too long. So I'm gonna have to still cut it some more. Hopefully. And I really want to put this in here. So I'm gonna let's move that for a minute while that's sitting. I really want to put a bottom on it because I want to reinforce it. So do that. Do this. Not very straight. I know. It's okay. It's alright. It's not straight. No one's gonna see it. It's a Reader Digest book. We'll be using these. Have great stories in them. Read the stories first, then. Bundle dot. Okay. I'm gonna cut as straight as possible. There we go. Alright, then I'm gonna stick this in here. Oops. No, push down, push down, push down, push down. Alright. And like I said, this is my modifications, not necessarily the way other people might want to do it. I'm trying to decide if I like it that way. Let me bring it down. Boop, boop, boop. Don't go away, please. Okay, so we're going to bring this down. Just like that. Just like that. And it's alright. I'm not worried about it. And then we're going to put that one there. Put that one there, right? And then I'm going to take that one off. Put this one here. I'm going to flip it. Because I'm that way. I'm going to flip it as soon as I get this to sit right. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to tacky it right here. Come on. Ah, too much glue, too much glue. What happens when glue wants to... Okay. And then I'm going to do that. And I'm going to do this. And I'm going to fold it over like that. Okay, in case you wanted to see what I was doing, I'm just doing the present thing. Oh no, but it's falling apart on me, which is typical of my stuff. Ah. Okay, so plastic probably isn't as good as the paper. I'm telling you that right there. Plastic is probably not as good as the paper. Paper probably works better. I don't know why this one particularly doesn't want to stick. It doesn't want to stick. So I'm going to do it again. Why it doesn't want to stick, but it doesn't want to stick. Too much glue, too much glue. Okay, then that one there. Go back up here. Okay, then we're going to glue that, and then pull it back here. There we go. Okay, so now, put that there. No. Everybody has to stay. They all have to do what they're supposed to do, but they're not doing it. So we're going to go that way. Then we're going to go that way. And we're going to sit on it for a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm holding my glue down because I want it to stick. Hopefully. Hopefully it'll stick. That's what we want it to do. It's kind of lumpy, so I'm sure it's having a hard time. But technically the pattern works right. So you get newspaper or whatever paper, you fold it with a nice little fold over on the top, which I did. Mine's on the inside, hers was on the outside. You can put yours however you want to do it. I just did it that way because I thought it was kind of interesting. I do a lot of things because I think they're going to be interesting. I also put a bottom in my bag because I thought it'd be interesting. And then she folded it like you fold a present. So that's it. So my bag's made. We have to let it dry though to find out if it's going to hold or not. So in the next video, we'll find out about that. Let's push this back. I think my thing got hit. Hang on, guys. Like you're probably watching all this shit in the wrong. Let's see. There we go. That's much better. Sorry about that. I don't know why it was like that. Okay. So I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.